Philadelphia, meantime, say it is a miracle no one was killed after a gun battle and hours-long standoff with a gunman. This all happened in a residential neighborhood, and dozens of officers responded. 6 of those officers were wounded, and the gunman is now in custody. CBS 2's Tom Hansen has more.
Philadelphia's district attorney says the suspect in the nearly 8-hour gun battle with police is likely to face charges that could keep him behind bars for life.
These are more than enough charges so that Mr. Maurice Hill may never exit jail.
The DA says the 36-year-old suspect has not been charged yet, but he expects attempted murder and firearms charges to be on the list.
I think it's clear this man should not have been on the streets.
The view from the neighbor's Ring door surveillance shows the crisis unfolding Wednesday afternoon. Gunshots can be heard after officers first enter the house. One officer eventually rolls out of the home, possibly injured. The police went to the house to serve a drug warrant. 6 officers were shot and wounded in the gun battle.
We were dealt a hand that nobody should be dealt. Thankful that no one died from it.
The siege brought a sense of terror to this North Philadelphia neighborhood until the suspect surrendered around midnight.
Stand by, we have the male out of the house.
While still barricaded in the house, the gunman spoke to his former attorney.
So if you're not going to come out that house, I'm going to hang up this phone and I'm going to turn the TV off because I'm not going to watch you get killed.
Hill's criminal history dates back to the early 2000s, including drug, gun, and robbery charges. Tom Hansen, CBS News, Philadelphia.
Commissioner Ross added that the suspect had a military-style AR-15 and a handgun. It's not clear yet if he had any other weapons because tear gas was used and police still do not have access to the crime scene.